Early life and struggles of Anand Kumar. Anand Kumar was born in 1973 in Patna, Bihar, into a lower middle class family. His father was a clerk in the postal department, and his family faced financial difficulties. From a young age, Anand displayed an extraordinary aptitude for mathematics. He studied at Patna High School, where his teachers recognized his talent. He was deeply inspired by Srinivasa Ramanujan, whose mathematical genius motivated him to explore number theory. His research papers were even published in prestigious UK journals like Mathematical Spectrum and the Mathematical Gazette. Cambridge University dream and financial struggles. In 1994, Anand Kumar secured admission to the University of Cambridge due to his exceptional mathematical abilities. This was a dream come true, but his financial situation became a major obstacle. Why didn't he go to Cambridge? His father passed away, leaving the family in financial distress. He sought government assistance and loans but received no help. His mother, Jayanti Devi, even tried selling homemade papads to raise money, but it wasn't enough. Unable to afford the expenses, Anand was forced to give up his Cambridge dream and find a way to support his family while continuing his passion for mathematics. The birth of Ramanujan School of Mathematics, RSM, 1995. To earn a livelihood, Anand began tutoring students in mathematics. In 1995, he founded the Ramanujan School of Mathematics, RSM, in Patna. He started with only 2 students, but his reputation as a brilliant teacher quickly spread, and soon, he was teaching over 500 students. How did he manage expenses? The fees collected from RSM students helped him support his family. This income later helped him launch his ambitious Super 30 project. The birth of Super 30, 2002. While running RSM, Anand realized that many talented students from underprivileged backgrounds couldn't afford coaching for the IITG, Indian Institute of Technology Joint Entrance exam. Determined to help them, he started Super 30 in 2002 with his brother Pranav Kumar. Each year, he selected 30 brilliant but poor students through an entrance test. The selected students received free coaching, food, and accommodation for a full year. His mother cooked meals for the students to save costs. His brother managed logistics and operations. Why only 30 students? Since Anand Kumar had limited resources, he started with 30 students to ensure high-quality training and personal attention. The unique teaching methods of Super 30. Super 30 students underwent rigorous training. They studied for 16+ hours a day. Anand Kumar emphasized logical thinking over rote memorization. Regular mock exams were conducted to simulate IITG conditions. Anand personally mentored each student, ensuring they received the best guidance. Super 30's success story. The program became wildly successful. 2003, 18 out of 30 students cleared IITG. 2008, all 30 students cracked IITG, achieving a 100% success rate. Over the years, 90% plus of students have secured admission to IITs and top engineering colleges. Where are Super 30 students today? Many alumni now work at top companies like Google, Microsoft, and ISRO. Some have even returned to teach at Super 30. Challenges and threats faced by Anand Kumar. Opposition from coaching institutes. Super 30's success threatened big commercial coaching centers in Patna, which charged lakhs of rupees for IIT coaching. These institutes saw Anand's free coaching model as a danger to their business. Threat calls and attacks. He received life-threatening calls and even faced an assassination attempt. Financial struggles. He refused to accept donations, making it difficult to run Super 30. Media pressure and allegations. Some accused him of falsifying results, but his students and their achievements proved otherwise. Despite all this, Anand never gave up. Health struggles. His brain tumor diagnosis. In 2018, Anand Kumar revealed that he was suffering from acoustic neuroma, a rare brain tumor affecting his hearing. Despite this, he continued teaching and mentoring students. Recognition and awards. Anand Kumar's contributions have been widely recognized. Padma Shri, 2019, India's 4th highest civilian award. Rashtriya Bal Kalyan Award, 2010, for his contributions to education. Featured in Time magazine's Best of Asia list 2010. Honored by MIT and Harvard for his innovative teaching model. Super 30 Movie, 2019. In 2019, Bollywood released the movie Super 30, starring Hrithik Roshan as Anand Kumar. The film highlighted his struggles, challenges, and success. While some creative liberties were taken, the core story remained true. Where is Super 30 now? Yes, Super 30 still exists today. Anand Kumar continues to train 30 students annually for IITG. He is working on expanding the model to other states. Other initiatives inspired by Super 30. Several programs have been created based on the Super 30 model. Ramani 30 IIT coaching for Muslim students. CSRL Super 30 focused on rural students. Government-backed coaching programs for underprivileged students. How can someone support Super 30? Initially, Anand refused donations but later allowed individual sponsorships to support students. People can contact Super 30 directly to contribute. Conclusion: Anand Kumar's legacy. Anand Kumar's story is one of hardship, sacrifice, and success. From missing his Cambridge dream to helping thousands of students achieve theirs, his journey proves that education is the greatest equalizer. Despite financial struggles, threats, and health issues, he never gave up. His legacy continues as Super 30 keeps changing lives. One man, one dream, thousands of transformed lives.